Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So Aptos, I was expecting a quiet weekend, and yeah, it's not happening, guys. This is so busy. Okay, so we had 5 way up to complete a bigger wave one. We did that in January this year. We did an A, B, C corrective movement. Are we done with this corrective movement? Hopefully, because we went even a little bit below the 0.886 fib retracement at $5.05. Now let's bring some indicators. Well, not super, you know, usually I would love to see when a stock or a crypto it build up slowly its momentum. Right now this is like crazy, and I must say it's not the only, this is not a one-time thing, because it does, like Aptos really like to spike and have these huge candles gain. Today we are 13% up, as you can see now. So that's done for that. Now we can see that, let me take out this. So yeah, I was calculating that there was another crazy green weekend. It was 18%. Now today it's 13. Now I'm trying to find some patterns, right? So if I take here a longer pattern, not like a trend, we can see that we are breaking long trend, downtrend, right? So this could be a reason why we're breaking out, because finally we're breaking this downtrend. But it's not a deal done, so we need to be careful. Also now I'm going to go maybe on the 4 hours. So you can really see that this downtrend in red, it was holding us and acting as a resistance. Actually, let me go back on the daily and I want to see the MA 200. Okay, we're very far. So now today what we are doing, or actually lately what we were doing, we were trying to fight and gain back the level of the MA50. That's on the daily, right? And today we did that. Now we did attempt previously to do that, and after we got rejected. So let's see the day, it's kind of just started, or almost 1/3 of the day already passed. We still have 2/3 to go. So let's see if Aptos can actually hold these levels, and we will see after. Now let me go on the 15 minutes, and what's the reason for that? It's because I want to see how it's building up all this, right? Where are my indicators? They left? Seriously? Okay, maybe it was 1 hour that I put it. Let me see here. Okay, here. Okay, so now I'm going to start to label things so we can have an idea. Now, actually I can just do this. I believe maybe this could be a valid count. This could be the 1. This is the 2. We're seeing indeed the 3. Now, if that is the case and we just see or just saw the third wave level, we should be doing now a corrective movement to the downside for the wave 4, and finally have another wave up for the 5th wave. Let me move that around. So as you can see, wave 1 to wave 2, actually I'm going to do the Fibonacci retracement to validate that, but I think it's working out pretty good. So you can see that yeah, we have a B, and a C. Even went momentarily below the 0.786, and after that went back on, right? If I do the extension now, wave beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2, the 1.618 target for the third wave, it's $5.68, and we went even higher because we went as high at $5.79. So we're good for that. So now, as you can see, now we are making kind of a pullback, right? So for a moment, well, for sure it's not sure. This is prematurely. Let's go on 15 minutes. Maybe we can see something here. Okay, so now what can I do now? It's since we have reached the third target, for a wave, I can try to attempt to determine, I take the beginning of the third wave to the end of what we think maybe already done, but we're not sure, right? It can still go higher. I take the setting for the fourth wave, and price should go and retrace somewhere between $5.56 and $5.30. So let's see if that is going to work out. Now if I zoom in also, yeah, now anyway, this is really micro counting and 12 minutes. We will see if actually Aptos, he already reached his third wave or if it's going to go even higher. Because once again, like Solana, you remember that he went way beyond, and then for the third wave, he even reached the 2.618, right? So amazing, but I would say it's not time to FOMO, and this is 15-minute chart, right? So if we manage actually to have 5-way up, I am going to wait for that famous 3-wave down. And so I'm waiting for the 5th wave, and after that, when I see the corrective movement, I can determine what would be the ideal retracement for the wave 2, and then would be an ideal place to maybe get into this trend. Now I know everything is crazy because before everybody was bearish kind of, or not that bullish, and now everybody is super bullish, right? So we need to be alert. We need to be careful to not get into the hype, okay? Because this could be just a fake out and then we continue, because it did that a few times, right? So we don't want to get caught on that. And but it is looking actually very good. And just to have an idea, this is a little bit of a speculation, but if indeed I take the first wave and it really go by the book, like textbook, and we reach the $6.24, now I take the chart for the wave 2. The ideal retracement, honestly, it would be very, very good if price make a pullback from the 5th wave in 3-wave down and reach this uptrend, long-term uptrend yellow line, and coincide with also the 0.618 fib retracement at $5.28. So we'll see if that can play out. Actually, would be honestly perfect. All right, so this is pretty much all for Aptos for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.